So let's do a meditation. Not sure. Oh, good. Our timing is good. So in this guided meditation, I'm calling it crossing the choice point. This meditation's crossing the choice point, but we're going to add a little extra grounding in here. But I do want to say I have put the link in the narrative box comment. You know what I'm saying? The link box in this YouTube video. I call it grounding, grounding, and more grounding. Highly recommend that you get that guided meditation and just really use it a lot in the month of August. Just remembering August is a choice point, how we're going to move forward, you know, divided or unified, kind or not so kind. And, uh, and then that's going to carry us in that grounded way into the fall. Description box. Thank you, Polly. Thank you, Terry. That's it. All right, let's do a guided meditation. Crossing the choice point. Oh, so join me, everyone, in closing your eyes and turning within. And take just a moment to feel within yourself what's going on for you. Can you feel a choice point rising, or does it just feel kind of quiet, unexcited? Take a moment to let your body know that there are choice point frequencies that are coming up, especially the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th of August. And let's start off by really helping your body to ground your humanity and ask your higher self to support you, to help you to know when you're well grounded or those times when you may need more grounding. Now, grounding is an invisible force. It's invisible at the 3D level. It is not invisible at the other dimensional levels. But you can feel it and sense it and know it. And so your spirit loves to be playful with the imagery of grounding. And so ask your spirit, what kind of grounding image would you like to play with today in regards to supporting you for those choice points that will be coming up in your life and is available to you now? And your grounding can be a tree with roots, ancient roots. It can be playful otters. My grounding this morning was sticky taffy. It can be mountains, waterfalls, steel beams. Let it be playful and supportive. And in your mind's eye, your sense, your knowing, let it settle, your grounding, let it settle around the area of your hips. And then extend through the seat of the chair or the floor or the ground or your bed. Just let gravity just gently start to pull at the image, letting it stretch through the earth's crust and going deeper and deeper until you're at the magnetic core of the earth, and then create another image to help yourself really anchor your light, anchor your soul, anchor your truth. And once you sense that you're at the center, your consciousness, your light, your spirit, your energy field is anchored into the center of the earth, you can have you pretend for a minute, just kind of feel into it getting stronger and lighter and stronger and lighter. I like to work with a dial because I'm more visual. So, but you can pretend to know a dial of, let's say your grounding is at 60%, you want to turn it up to 100% or down to 20%. So pretend you're turning up and down a dial of your grounding until it's just right for you, not too strong, not too light. When you're grounded, it stabilizes how you feel in your human body. You know, do you feel strong and centered at your core? Do you feel stable on your feet? It also stabilizes your emotions, where you may feel emotionally labile, which means all over the place. Your grounding can help stabilize your emotions, stabilize your clarity, stabilize your mind, help stabilize your spiritual focus. But it also, your grounding functions as a drain. And so you may notice as it gets stronger, there's an additional flow of ease that's draining old energy out of your auric field, down your grounding, to be recycled at the core, the earth's center. Now imagine yourself standing grounded at a fork in the road. On one side is a familiar path. It might feel comfortable. Maybe you feel a little bit numb to the noise in the world. Maybe it is noisy, overwhelming. Maybe it feels like you're having to be hyper diligent and controlling, or you're being controlled. By whatever messaging is coming through. And then there's the other road, a glowing path of truth, of kindness, and connectedness. And this is the beauty about this choice point that we're in right now. You don't need to force the choice. Simply feel into what direction calls to your soul. Now, above you, allow yourself to see and sense a soft blue celestial light pouring down from the cosmos, filling in your aura, the top of your aura, filling in the top of your head, your human body, this really soft, luminescent, blue cosmic frequency. The blue light of truth, the dissolver of illusions, the clarifying nature of right and wrong. Let it flow down through your heart, through your mind, your throat, your communication, down into your chest, your solar plexus, which is the illuminator of your soul's light, down into those beautiful body feelings, down into the survival that's much more than just treading water. Allow that blue frequency to flow through your arms and legs, filling up your entire aura. This is the light of your divine memory. This is the code of your humanity. And then silently or out loud, say, I choose truth. I choose unity. I choose to remember who I am in all of my strengths. Now let this blue light also flow down your grounding to help you anchor more into your body. Let it bathe your heart into opening. Feel your nervous system begin to calm and settle. And feel yourself return to who you have always been. We're going to take a moment of quiet just as these waves of blue just flow through all the way from above the cosmos down through your entire energy field and down to the center of the earth. Just allow the waves of change and choice flow through, allowing you to know what your truth is and your options are. Beautiful. Allow yourself to come back, be current, present, conscious in the space that you're in. Bring that beautiful blue light into your room and into your home, illuminating the truth. And when you're ready, you can just start moving around and open your eyes and just reorient yourself. And remember, we've got this, right? As I say, we've always been stronger together than we ever have been apart. And that's really coming to the front of the line in this next frequency forecast of alignments that are especially strong mid-August. Remembering every moment that you make a choice will be amplified in the fall, September, October, November, December. Every choice that you make, every thought that is unifying, act on it. Every thought that may be dividing us, rethink it. And just practice those forks in the roads, those choices every step along the way in this frequency forecast for August, knowing it's really going to set you up in a way that's stable and focused and true for you in the months to come for the rest of the year. So yes, we've got this. All right, everyone, thanks so much for coming on today. Please feel welcome to share this and also tune into that more grounding guided meditation to help carry you through the rest of the year. All right, everyone, take good care, and I'll see you next week.